Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Utari Bagas Kari. I'm from PBI 1 2018. My student number is 18 10 2050 29. This video for complete my final exam. Today I will explain about chapter 4, morphological processes. A morphological process can be defined as one that simultaneously changes the form of a morpheme, usually a stem, and adds an element of meaning to that morpheme. The change in the form of the morpheme affected by such a process cannot be stated as an affixation, and the result of such a process cannot be divided neatly into two or more parts. Morphophonemic processes differ from morphological processes in that they do not change the meanings of forms. Morphological processes are generally given in the form of a transformation, a type of rule that may be familiar from phonology and syntax. Infixation. To illustrate the concept, let us consider an infixation process first and show how two transformations serve to describe it. Problem OHK kontal. In singular is cece, in plural cece, in gloss squirrel, and meku in singular, meku in plural, and spoon in gloss. An examination of the data shows that the plural is formed in this class of nouns in OHK kontal by infixing plus before the final syllable of the singular. A somewhat more complex example of morphological processes occur in Arabic. Write in English. In singular masculine kataba, in singular feminine katabat, in plural masculine katabta, in feminine katabti, in English break, in singular masculine kasara, in singular feminine kasarat, in plural masculine kasarta, in feminine kasarti. Morphemic representation of processes. McCarthy, 1981, has proposed an alternative analysis. His proposal falls within the framework of autosegmental phonology, which provides a formalism for associating string of segments with higher level units of various sorts. An Arabic form such as kataba is analyzed as a root kataba plus a vowel pattern or melody double a plus the masculine suffix min a. The Greek letter mu stands for morpheme. By presenting the morphemes in distinct planes with respect to the segmental string, the discontinuous morphemes in this example are accounted for without a transformation. Next, reduplication. The second type of morphological process we mentioned at the outset is reduplication. Reduplication is defined as the repetition of all or parts of a morpheme to express a morphological category. In an entire morpheme is reduplicate, it is complete reduplication. If only part is reduplicate, it is partial reduplication. Next, ablaut and umlaut. Ablaut is a vowel alternation that expresses morphological categories. For example, in gloss, await, in present infinitive, be done, in past singular, bat, in past plural, be done, in past participle, by done. In gloss, bite, in present infinitive, bid on, in past singular, bat, in past plural, bid on, in past participle, bite on. Umlaut is a process that front a vowel under specific morphological condition. In example, in gloss, father, in singular, their father, in plural, the father. In gloss, mother, in singular, the mother, in plural, the mother, without overt suffix. And the last, tone rules. Tone rules assign or change tone morphemes in order to derive a different morphological category. The problem from monobill illustrates the process nicely. Abadami, father spoken me. Muruwose, the leopard will kill him. The verb stems are also easy to isolate. We can assume that the verb stems are without tone in their underlying forms. Okay, I think that's all for my explanation, and sorry for mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.